Hello, and what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? Okay guys, so I literally just got back home from school and I saw a little package at my door. Guys, this is bad. I need to stop spending money. Or I need to start selling stuff. Hit me up on my Depop at Atlantix. Welcome back if you've been here for a while. Or welcome if you're new here. My name is Atlantix. And this is my Atlantis where I like to talk about dolls, play with dolls, fix dolls, and I like to talk about scary things too. I have a package, obviously. You can tell from the title what it is. And you can probably tell by the thumbnail what's inside, but I don't even know what's inside really. Well, I mean, I know what's inside, I just don't know what they look like. But here's the package. I'm so excited. Let's get right into opening this. So I'm still sick. It's been like a week and I'm still sick. I might even have to call into work this weekend, which is really sad because I need money, but my health is so much more important. And so is my bank account. Bruh, this is really bad. I need to do something about this. Please click on my Depop and buy some of the dolls that I don't want. I just need to kind of curate my collection a little bit more to things that I actually truly care about and don't just feel the FOMO, you know? Because that's not healthy. That's not great. Oh my god. It's right there. Whoa, what? I didn't know there was more stuff in here. Whoa, what? Okay, guys. What? Okay. So this is going a lot better than I expected. So this incredible seller sent it to me in this type of bag. I thought I was just getting... What? Okay, I thought I was just getting topaz and amethyst, but if you're a Trollz connoisseur, you would know who this is. And what's crazy is that this doll I had as a kid. So this is a really big, important moment for me. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. This is absolute... The Trollz? Bitch. So as you can tell, there is a lot going on here. Okay. Okay. So obviously we have a lot of stuff. Let's start with the dolls, because that is the best part of this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I've never had this particular character, so this is a big thing for me right now. Obviously they need to be fixed up. Don't look too hard at it, but here is Amethyst, of course. This is the core Amethyst doll. First, whoa, they look wonk as fuck, but their faces are perfect on there. So she's wearing her first outfit. It's basically just this top and then this skirt situation and then these shoes with the straps all over it. And she still has her hair up, which is great, but I'll have to obviously fix that because it is... That shit's crazy. And this is the same hair clip that comes with her. She just doesn't have her actual hair clip. That's kind of sad, but that's okay. Okay, and then here... okay, so this is arguably my favorite character. I'm just more connected to her because this is my birthstone. This is Topaz. So she is also from the first collection. She has her original little ponytail in there, thank God. She is wearing her original top, and this is the second pair of pants that she comes with. And I think the set also comes with her second, not her second, but comes with the cape that she came with, because for some reason the olive core one, they would come with their core looks and then a winter look of some kind. Some of them would be full outfits, sometimes it would just be pants, or sometimes it would just be the cape thing, so that's interesting. But yeah, she comes with that. I'll need to find her a skirt soon. There is a listing that I saw on eBay that has the skirt, so I'm really hoping to get that today maybe. I got paid today, so I'm gonna see if I can splurge on that. But I will have to like really think about it, because guys, this is absolutely insanity, but this is great. Okay. And last but absolutely not least is what the fuck? We have Miss Sapphire herself in the second pair of pants that she came with. So this is great. This is great. And if you don't know, Sapphire is one of the more hard to come by. It's always Topaz or Amethyst. Never really Sapphire. So this wasn't even in the listing, but you know what? I'm not mad at all. Wow, okay. Yeah, these bitches need a clean. What the fuck? Did she get a haircut? I'm about to fix that up anyway. But yeah, there she is in her second pair of pants too. So I'm really happy I got some Cordals. Oh yeah, I didn't give you guys like a good look. Topaz's core look. So it's this top. I think it's all connected. Oh no, it's not. Okay, yeah, so it's separate. So we first have this vest piece with this little Peter Pan collar and these see-through type of sleeves. And then she has these dark jeans, which I always thought was a little jarring, but that's okay. But they're really well constructed. And she has these shoes, which I now have 3 pairs of, because this set comes with another pair of these for some godforsaken reason. And then for Sapphire, she is wearing the second ponytail that she comes with, so I can totally leave that on her. She's missing her glasses, but that's okay. She has her original top on, which is this. Is it all one piece? I wonder. Yes, it is. Yeah, so it's just like this blue top with her, like she's wearing a white long sleeve underneath. And then she's wearing this blue sweater over top, and she's wearing the jeans that she came with, which has this pink ribbon around it. And these are her original shoes. So exciting. She's precious. I'm so excited about her. Okay, so, oh yeah. Here's our little accessory bag now. Oh my god. Okay, all of this needs a wash. We'll have to get to that, but... Shut up. Here are Sapphire's glasses. Okay. Oh my god. I don't even know what to say. Because I was not expecting to have a full, like... I wasn't expecting to have Sapphire at all. What are you doing, girl? And I paid like a... Not a hefty price, but like it was like pretty crazy. I'll start off with this. These are the mini Trollz. This is the first outfit. So what is this? Like a pink tank top, some blue cargo capris, and some blue flip-flops. Okay, I'll take that. Then here's another outfit for her, which is... Oh, this one's cute. Very Y2K. It's like a yellow party outfit type of situation. Obviously, because it's Trollz, all of their outfits, their belly button is showing. Whoa, we have a few outfits here. Whoa, this one's cute. Okay, we got like a little green moment. That's cute. Oh, I love this one. It's giving like witch, kind of. And I love these checkerboard shoes. Okay, period. Is that all? Okay, yeah, so that is everything. It came with a little bit of hair. I wonder where that's from. That cannot be... No, it's not her. Oh. Is her bow still on her? Oh, no, it's not. Okay, period. That's cool. Oh, but I do have the sleepy time, or the slumber party Sapphire, and I could just give her the bow. Big brain. Yes. Oh my god! Never mind, I have her bow. Okay, so Sapphire, she's just living it up. Okay, What else do we have? So we have some of these combs here. Oh, we have all of them. Damn. Whoever was taking care of these was like really like keeping these in like somewhere special. So they would all come with like a hair pick, because like obviously it's doll, like doll hair play dolls. So they all came with like different types of brushes. So first they came with these picks. This one is Topaz's. It's just fun and jagged and crazy, just like her. Here is Sapphire's. This one I remember perfectly as a kid. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Okay, and then this is Amy Amethyst. If you don't know, Amy is what they call her, Amy or Amy. They call her that in the show. That's cute. This looks like a cupcake. Aww. Okay, I like that. Oh, now this is not Trollz. That's interesting. Okay, cool. So we do also have the actual brushes that they came with. So this is like very basic. This is Sapphire's. This is Topaz's. I don't remember these though. I don't remember the second brushes like this. But I'm glad that they're included at all. So Amethyst has her. Amethyst is complete. So she, except for her little thing. But I have another Amethyst that's a little fancier, so I think it'd be cuter if she was wearing the other clip. So I think I'll just switch them around. This is Amethyst Cape. The quality, guys. So, like, the construction is really nice. And it's like nice fabric. And this is Hasbro. To my fellow doll collectors, you know Hasbro is something else. Here is her little... I think this is supposed to be a scarf. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a scarf. But there's a wire in it, so you can, like, do it up however you'd like. I think that's what it is. Or is it like a... hair thing? I'm confused. Whatever. I'm just really excited about that. Then this is what her second pair of pants looks like. It's like light blue and sparkly, and it feels like a denim fabric, which is really pretty. And look at all that stitched detail. And bitch, real pockets. Did you see that recent like Barbie video where they're like, we can put real pockets on doll clothes? And it's like, yeah, like, it's happened before. Why are you so surprised? Whatever. And then this is Amy's little... Ah, oh my god, okay. It's very exciting to me. And then, okay, we're getting close to the end. This is Amethyst's little spell phone. If you don't know, the spell phones are very important for their everyday magic usage. They use their phones to text a spell. Because they're trolls, and like trolls are magical. Okay, and then looks like we just don't have Topaz's cape, which is fine. Yeah, that's cool. But these are Topaz's little accessories. First, she has this really cute, really well constructed backpack with a real pocket on the outside, and like little straps that's like real fabric. It's made of fabric, guys. Come on now. And then this is her little scarf situation. Very cute. Very cute. Yes, yes. And yeah, it's wiry, bendy. Whatever. And then lastly, so fortunately Sapphire doesn't come with anything more. But I don't care. She's incredible. Here's her little... I'm assuming this is like a little headband you could put around her, I guess. And then here's her little cape, because she's wearing her pants. So she's got to be wearing her little cape. What? That's crazy. Look at how it's like real felt and this like rainbow lace all around. And then there's a little bow on the front. Guys, this is absolutely insanity. Okay. Guys, okay, so that is the dolls. Those are the dolls and the accessories. Oh. Oh my god, Sapphire's purse is in here. Damn. Okay. Yeah, so that is Sapphire's purse. Look at the, like, tiers of, like, lace and mesh. And it's, like, actually, like, you're able to open all of these bags and, like, the ribbon strap. Come on. How is Barbie not able to do this right now? Guys, Low-key, this could be the piece de resistance. A little bag that's full of, like, the paper accessories. Not paper accessories, per se. But, like, those used to be coming with Trollz, which I've talked about before. It would come with the Trollz, which would bring you money for the online game. Guys, there is there are 4 things of Trollz in here. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Okay, so we have 4 of those. We have 1 with sapphire on it and 3 with onyx on it. Let me know if you guys want one of these, because I could just, like, mail this out to you, I guess. We'll have to see, though. We'll have to see. And this is one of my absolute favorite things about Trollz, is the little, like, catalog things. Bratz used to do this, too, but it was, like, a full catalog of all the dolls that were coming out that season. Front and back, bitch. And the colors were so delicious, and like you can clearly see everything that it came with. Whoa, this is like bringing me back. The quality felt a lot better. Whoa. Oh, what the hell? Just kidding. This and these are like you put this around the hair. Okay, period. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm about to have the time of my life right now. So obviously, I have a big connection to Trollz, and, like, I don't know why I'm pumping out so much Trollz content, like, all at once, because, like, this is, like, kind of a lot. But, I'm so excited. This is crazy. This is so exciting. Well, yeah, guys, let me know what you think about my little haul here, because I'm speechless. Like, for guys, I don't mean to be one of those that are like, oh my god, like she was rare, but she's rare. But I wanted her so bad because like she's the one that I had as a kid, and so she was like one of the more important ones to me. But because she's rare, it's hard for me to get her. So any chance I get her. There is options to get them on AliExpress, but I think right now they're only giving out random ones. Like, you can't choose which one you get. So I think I'd recommend buying 3 at once, because they're like $4 each. But I am so effing excited. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you for putting up with this little trollicious day. Oh my god. Wait, should I, like, make this series of videos into, like a thing? Like, should I make it a thing? Would that be weird? I don't know, guys. I'm so excited. Wait, are these all the same catalog? Yeah, it looks like they're all the same catalog, because Trollz only lasted a year. Yeah, they're all the same. I would love to give this out to some of you guys. I think you guys would, like, appreciate that. I will need to wash my hands, and I'll need to clean these bitches too before I put them out on display because of how old they are. But yeah, you guys, that is everything for this video. Let me know which troll you thought let me know which troll might be your favorite. I know this is like kind of weird, like my troll dolls, but I don't know what it is. It's just like, okay, like obviously you can tell that I love a spooky situation, but like I love color too. So when it comes to like visual dopamine, like these dolls bring me visual dopamine. Just the colors are just so well put together, you know, so well organized, and just I think they're so high quality too. And I'm just like so happy that I have all of them. Hit me up in the links in my description, and hit up my Depop one more time while I say it. Hit up my Depop at Atlantix as well, and check out some of the dolls that I'm selling. Dolls that I have loved. I maybe have restyled, but like nothing too crazy. And I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye bye.